Daryl.
Hey.
I would like to give you the only copy of Somehow I Manage, unfinished. If there's anybody here who can finish it, it's you.
That's sweet, Mike. Let's see here. Here's a chapter called Gum, with one sentence. Everybody likes the guy who offers them a stick of gum.
Mm-hmm. That's true. Daryl, I have one last wish. I would like to use the Baler.
No. Can't let you do that, Mike.
No problem.
Sorry.
Worth a try.
All righty.
Daryl said I could use the Baler because I'm leaving.
No.
All right, guys. Well, see you later, warehouse. Catch you on the flippity-flip. All right, then. See you guys. Catch you later, warehouse. See you on the flippity-flip. Catch you on the flippity-flip. Catch you guys on the flippity-flip. Catch you guys. Catch you guys on the flippity-flip. Flippity-flip. Flippity-flip.
Really?
Okay. See you guys.